now we got the eggs in there. See, 4 eggs. Now we're gonna add half a cup of milk. So we get our measuring cup. Got our milk. Half a cup is right here. So theoretically, we should have half a cup. Actually, we're not gonna have half a cup because that's impossible. Okay, half a cup. Just gonna add that in there. Nice. See? So combining ingredients is like combining elements, chemical reactions. Half a cup of maple syrup. So we got this 100% pure grade A dark color, robust taste maple syrup, hand tapped from North American maple trees. Ooh. Serving size half a cup. I mean 1/4. Okay. 1/4 a cup. It's right about there. I'm gonna get this exactly. Probably should set it down so I can look at the meniscus. Okay, now that we got 1/4, we're just gonna put that in there. Yeah. Okay. Now, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Exactly. So we're gonna, this is imitation, but you know, you get the gist. Why am I shaking so much? Okay, 1 teaspoon. Bam. Okay, now that we got that, we're gonna do 1 cup of sugar. These things are gonna be nice and sweet. 1 cup, Mom.
No, that's way too much.
No.
It says 1 cup.
A sugar?
Yes.
No way.
This is sweet. Okay, you don't put syrup on this. This is my project. Be quiet. We're gonna edit that part out.
We'll have bloopers at the end, don't worry.
Okay, we got 1 cup of sugar. Almost. Okay. Dang. Okay. I didn't do that. We're gonna edit that. Okay. Half a teaspoon cinnamon. Half a teaspoon. Cinnamon, grade A. Check this out. Ah, yeah. This isn't even open. Oh my gosh. Okay.
There's more cinnamon in it.
It's okay, this is brand new cinnamon. We only use the good stuff. Now, since we need to be exact with the measurements, this is a cool trick. It's a secret, so. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Just gonna. Okay. Now that we got all that, we're gonna get our whisk. Yes? Is it a whisk?
Oh, yes.
Yes? Okay. Whisk. I'm gonna whisk this. Ugh, I'm gonna whisk it like crazy. Too much whisk. Way too much whisk. Stupid oaks. Or yolks. Dang it! I didn't say oaks. Yeah, okay. We're gonna speed this part up probably an 8 so. Okay. 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 Now that we got it all whisked up. Be quiet. Yeah, okay. We're gonna cut the toast. So probably gonna edit this part out because this is gonna take forever.
Why can't you cut it afterwards?
Because I had to what?
I would cut it afterwards.
After I make it? Good idea. Okay. First, I'm gonna spray this skillet down, so the toasties don't, you know.
Dude, what are you using for that?
Huh? Oh, this is original Meyer flammable vegetable oil. Okay. Just gonna spray that down there. Okay. Now we're gonna take a piece of toast, as seen, dip it in the mixture. Crap. Not like that. We're gonna pour the mixture in this easily Texas Toast accessible container. Pie plate container, I don't know what you want to call it. Okay, now that we got that, we're gonna, yeah. Make sure you wash your hands before you do this. Mine have thoroughly been soaped. Okay. Then we're just gonna pop this bad boy down right after we get the temperature back up to 350 degrees. Right there, 350 degrees on your skillet. Just do another pre-soaking right there. Okay. Let it drip a little in. Bam! It's supposed to sizzle. It's not hot enough yet. Okay. It'll sizzle, don't worry. Now we got this up and running. Okay. Just gonna let it drip. Sizzle. There you go. Oh, it sizzled. You hear that? It sizzled. Okay. Looks like we can do about 6 at a time, which means we'll have to do a little bit. Oh yeah, the sizzle right there. You get that? You get that? Yeah, nice. Okay. Okay. Get it all nice and okay. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Sizzle. We'll also be flipping these here in a second with the spatula. Great A. Sizzle. Make sure you don't touch the skillet, it's hot, okay? Shh. Oh yeah, that was the best sizzle yet. It's a sticky solution, so you're gonna need napkins. Okay, while these are baking, I'm gonna tell you why this is related to stoichiometry and chemical reactions. Okay, let me see. Chemical reactions are a combination. Oh yeah, look at that going down there. Are a combination of elements or compounds forming new elements of compounds, or just breaking down and stuff. Sort of like, oh crap, shouldn't have put that one yet. Sort of like cooking, you know, and there's a lot of ratios in cooking, just like there is in chemical reactions. So like, say hydrogen gas and oxygen gas, you know, they're combining. It'd be H2 plus O2 equals H2O. Well, if you had a surplus amount of oxygen, and you only had one molecule of hydrogen gas, then you'd be able to get one H2O, because it's H2, one H2, and then one molecule of water already has 2 hydrogen in it. So you know. And then in cooking, say we had a surplus of every single ingredient except for bread, which is kind of true. We could only make a certain amount of French toast. And you know, the ratios back to that for every 8 pieces of bread, we have 4 eggs. And if we had like, say we had like 12 eggs. Say we had like 12 eggs. Okay, and then 24 pieces. No, shoot. 32 pieces of bread. Okay? We could only make 12 eggs worth of French toast. Because this is the eggs are the limiting reactant. The eggs are the limiting reactant, okay? What? I don't know what you want me to do. Yeah. And say, since, back to that water equation that I was talking about, the hydrogen was the limiting factor because we only have one hydrogen molecule. So you already know. Basically, that's it. What else? What?
Pecans are good.
Pecans are good on French toast. And there's like a bunch of type of reactions like decomposition and synthesis.
Toast. I thought this was Texas toast.
It is Texas toast.
Make up your mind. French or Tex?
Well, we use Texas toast to make the French
You
toast.
know,
I read it in the
I
ingredients.
feel like
This is getting cut out.
France and Texas are nowhere near each
Okay.
other.
Now that the French toast is done cooking, we still gotta cook 2 more of these bad puppies. But you see, you want like this golden brown and a slight burn. That's how Joel's French toast is made. And you don't need syrup for these. There was a whole freaking cup of sugar in there, maple syrup, so the flavor's cooked in. Pretty much. Got a nice stack of flaps right here. I'm gonna put this right here. That isn't on, don't worry. I'm gonna cook the rest of these. And
It's
then
not necessary.
it is necessary. This is probably gonna get cut out after I finish making this. Dip it in there, flip it, flop it, flip it. Oh yeah, okay. Now. Now, technically, the theoretical yield of cooking this French toast would be that we had 8 servings, which would be 1 serving is one of these pieces of Texas toast cut up into 3 sticks. But technically, since we have extra batter stuff, I don't know what you want to call it, yolky, sugary goodness, we can actually make more. So our theoretical yield would have been 8 servings, but our actual yield can be more than that. I don't know how much more. I got more Texas toast somewhere.
There's the milk in the syrup. Okay.
There's a cap for that. Okay. Where'd the rest of the Texas toast go? Oh yeah. So we're gonna see if I even have enough Texas toast, what our actual yield will be. And then I'm not gonna eat this. I mean, Nate will probably eat it. I might eat one.
I might eat it.
And then 8 servings go to my chemistry class since, Mrs. Spiller wants me to feed them for some reason.
They
You got
never get
sizzle?
any food.
Ooh. Get that one?
That was a good one.
So theoretical is 8, and our actual, we're actually running out of batter here. We're getting to the bottom of the pie pan. We
Yeah.
might be able to make this whole loaf. I'm not doing the really crusty parts of it, the whatever you call it, the heels or the crowns. I guess it's a kilo
That is
crown.
limiting it.
So we're gonna So we only got 2 left. I think we might actually be able to make this whole loaf except for the kilogram. Yeah, just about. Because this bread absorbs a lot of this.
Yeah, it's like a sponge.
So the theoretical was 8, and our actual is... Yeah, there's no way you could get another piece of French toast out of it. Our actual is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Our actual was 12. Oh, she ate one. Our actual was 13. What do you eat? No one eat those. Well, okay, you know what? We had a surplus, because, you know. And then to calculate our percentage, or error, or whatever you want to say it was, we do actual over theoretical simple equation. So it'd be actual is 13, theoretical was 8, so 13 divided by 8. Mom, do math. 13 divided by 8. Okay, it's somewhere around 1.4.
1 point. It's 5 out of 8. Actually.
What?
5 out of 8, you know. 1 plus 5 out of 8, you know.
Whatever. It's somewhere around 1.4. Okay.
It's more like 1.5, 1.6 actually.
Somewhere around 1.5, 1.6.
1.625 to be exact.
1.625.
Yes.
I didn't spray it again. I probably should have sprayed it again with the canola oil or vegetable oil. We're gonna let these sides cook just a tad bit longer.
$1.625.
1.625.
Oh,
That one needs to cook longer. The only thing the oil really does is keep it from sticking, so I'm gonna have to clean that up later. Yeah.
ugh.
It's good. Okay, you can eat that. You want to make sure you cook these thoroughly. Okay.
Cook more time. You can cook them more thoroughly.
With more time, we could cook them more thoroughly. As said by Nate.
Everett.
Everett, I mean. And then right here is the grease trap. As you can see, we don't have any grease.
Ah, okay.
But you know, if we were cooking like sausage or something, it'd go in there. This is probably all get cut out too. I don't even know what I'm saying. This is taking forever to freaking cook.
Yeah.
Turn it up. Okay. Maximum.
Not maximum.
Yeah.
Burn.
But it was like 50 away from being maximum, Mom.
You have it too high.
This will probably either be fast forward through, cut. I basically didn't time these. These cook around a minute each at 350 degrees Fahrenheit on your skillet.
What about Celsius?
Celsius would be whatever 350 degrees
Divided by 2.8.
Fahrenheit divided by 2.8 plus, is it 35? I think, something like that. I think it's plus 35.
I don't know.
Or 32, 'cause
I'm not a mathematician.
I'm a mathematician. Mrs. Dotson would be proud. I'm gonna see if I can do one of them flippy things. Where you just... Oh! Okay, we're not gonna eat this piece. Probably shouldn't. Mom's gonna eat it. 5 seconds. There you go. We're not gonna try to flip it. Actually, you know what? Since we have a surplus. Oh! That was awesome! I'm gonna do that again. Yeah, that was it. See, this is how professionals do. Okay, that one's a little...
Oh, that one is a
That
little
one's
burnt.
done. I feel like I'm just gonna choose the best ones.
Alright, that's a bit too much time on that.
Okay. I'm gonna just choose the best ones. Yeah, you can tell the burning. Okay. Okay, these are the best ones.
These are the best ones.
These are gonna go right here. The whole counter is sanitized, so that one that fell on there, basically
We did wipe it down with hand sanitizer.
extra sanitized. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the schools. This is gonna be me and Nate's.
Looks like you're burning them pretty good now, Joel.
This is me and Nate's. Okay, bye. I think. No, wait, no, we're not cutting them yet. Oops, that part's gonna get cut out too. Okay, we're just gonna put this on the Texas toast tray. I gotta cut these up, so I need another tray. So we're just gonna turn off the skillet for safety reasons. And unplug it.
Lap safety.
Lab safety. Should be wearing goggles.
You emphasize.
Sorry. Ah! Should be wearing gloves. I just poked myself.
See?
Nice.
That is unsafe.
Now, we're just gonna cut these into thirds. Right now.
These aren't.
Yeah.
These are just approximate thirds.
Yeah, these are just approximate. I mean, you're never gonna be able to get exact thirds. And we're gonna do this 8 more times. Does it taste good, Mom?
It's okay.
Oh crap. Here, I gotta take a bite of mine. I like it actually. That one's burnt.
Yep. That was. You don't eat stuff in the lab.
Yeah, you shouldn't eat stuff in your lab either.
Joel, I need to get a
Rachel Ray eats stuff on her show, so don't give me crap for eating stuff on mine.
You know, she's a professional.
Yeah, well, you know what? I wash my hands too. I can do whatever I freaking want. This is probably that'll be cut out anyway, because
Just having a casual conversation right now.
this stuff is very sticky because there's a ton of sugar in it, and of course there's the maple syrup. So I use the really dark maple syrup because it has like the most flavor. It's the most intense. I wouldn't use like Mrs. Buttersworth or anything. It's not grade A. It's more processed, this is more natural. It's organic, or should I say?
Synonym for
And
organic?
your French toast will be reheated in an oven. I will dispose of this piece and cut some fresh pieces. How long is this video, Nate?
23 minutes.
23 minutes. There's no way my class is gonna watch this whole thing. Are you just getting me right now, or are you getting the cutting action over here? Yeah, get the cutting action. Actually, this is made for cutting.
Well,
Which
you
we will
can't
do.
really just switch midway through.
Actually, I can, so don't have me. Artwork by Colin Graham.
That doesn't. I don't think that's a third right there.
You know what? It's cut in 3
That-
pieces.
that is
That's the
not-
point.
that
That's
is
the
not
point. It's cut in 3
third.
pieces.
Yeah. I don't think that is the point.
It's the freaking point.
I'm also getting syrup all over my shoes.
No, you're not. Okay. Didn't you get those shoes like really dirty at John's party?
No. Those are my other shoes.
Ow! Okay. Again, heat gloves for the hotness of the French toast may be required. Okay. Wait, that's the one that fell on the thingy. Okay. We're just gonna.
That touched a contaminated piece.
That touch of contaminated piece. Okay, this one's pretty clean.
Animated?
Oh, okay, you know what?
Is that what you just said?
I did not say reanimated. Okay. So, this is our finished product. Voila. Get a good circular view of that one. Okay, you don't need to season this with any salt or anything. It should be pretty good. Powdered sugar is at your own
Garlic?
risk.
Question mark.
No garlic. And oh yeah, credits. Creator, me. Film director, Nate. Advisor,
Producer.
Mrs. Spiller. Producer, Mrs. Spiller.
And also producer, you know, co-producer.
Co-producer, me.
Co-producer, co-producer?
Co-producer, God.
I feel like you're missing somebody's name here.
My mom,
No, you didn't say the name yet.
Nate. Oh, Everett. Special thanks to Chase for giving me discounts on the Texas Toast at Kroger.